Now we continue with this public authority. That act covers all the public authority, includes those of the department of the central government or state governments and some private organization. Any information under the control of public authority can be accessed by a citizen by applying it under this act. Citizen can ask for inspection of records and also see copies of the documents, also being enjoined upon the public authority to proactively and sudo moto provide such information as possible through publications on the internet so that the public has minimum occasional occasions to approach authority for information. Subject to availability of resources within the reasonable time, the public authority have to computerize their record and to connect the same through a network all over India. The Act requires that every public authority shall maintain in records duly catalogued and indexed to facilitate access to some and disseminate certain information to public. This necessarily means now the government organization will have be more systematic in the records keeping, including closed files, which should be catalogued and preserved for the easy to access. Inability to furnish any information sought by a citizen due to any lost or untraceable document can be viewed seriously. The files may be destroyed only as per the weeding out policy of the department.